Welcome to BioDigital VR. This innovative VR solution breaks traditional learning boundaries, offering an immersive, hands-on experience with comprehensive anatomy models. Users can interact with and manipulate over 12,000 unique anatomical structures within the immersive virtual environment. VR allows models to be scaled to suit the user's view, disassembled to comprehend individual parts, and reassembled to appreciate the whole. This includes the ability to view the spatial relationships between anatomical structures and explore descriptive text to learn more detail. Structures can be labeled for better understanding, highlighted for emphasis, or hidden to focus on specific areas of interest. Additionally, users can group structures together, creating unique learning sets tailored to their needs. This level of interaction, personalization, and enhanced spatial understanding elevates learning, making the exploration of human anatomy an engaging, immersive, and rewarding experience. To learn more about BioDigital VR for your organization, please contact us today or head to www.biodigital.com.